Hey listeners, Al Martin here, your host of Making Data Simple. I have a super short episode this week as all of us here at IBM are gearing up for our annual conference called THINK, and it's next week. So check out this short conversation with one of our conference organizers, and we will see you next week with a full episode. Thanks. Talk to you next time.
You're listening to Making Data Simple, where we make the world of data effortless, relevant, and yes, even fun.
Hi folks, Al Martin here in the Making Data Simple podcast. I have a special session today. I wanted to talk about IBM Think. It's a place everybody can go gain knowledge and insight. And today with me to help explain it better, because they can do it much better than I can, is Jayson Gehri. And Jayson leads Hybrid Data Management Marketing. So Jayson, I'm going to put the pressure on you. I just want you to kind of talk about what you can get at Think, why you should ante up, go to Think, and what value you're going to get out of it.
Yeah, fantastic. Think started last year. It was IBM's first corporate-wide event designed to bring all of our technology and our clients together in one place and our business partners. This year, we've moved to San Francisco, which is a new location for us for this size of event. We're looking for about 30,000 people to be in San Francisco, and if you've been there before, that's a lot.
It's going to be crowded.
We're going to be at the Moscone Center and across several hotels in downtown as well. And we've got a special event planned for Thursday night for those of you who will be spending Valentine's Day with us at Think. We're renting out all of Pier 39. If you've been to San Francisco, it's a really huge area. Yeah, we're going to have entertainment and food and music and all sorts of stuff. So that's kind of the highlight. But what do you get at Think? We're going to have some really big speakers at Think. Of course, Jenny Rometty, who leads IBM, will be speaking about the future of IBM and where we're going. Arvind Krishna is going to host a session called the Science Slam, where he's going to talk about 5 technology innovation predictions that he's making that will impact all of our lives in the next 5 years, things that we need to watch out for. We're going to have speakers like Tony Hawk and Joe Montana, Jim Whitehurst from Red Hat, John Donovan from AT&T. And then we've got trends and directions sessions that are going to talk more about what's going on in the industry. What do people need to be paying attention to? But closer to home, let's talk about data and AI and hybrid data management. We've got accelerating the journey to AI. So how do you really put AI to work in that digital transformation in your company? And Rob Thomas and Arvind Krishna are going to be speaking there. And then we've got what I'm really excited about is the main hybrid data management keynote, which is the Road to AI, a journey to modernize your data architecture. That's where we're going to announce the vision for DB2 moving forward, and really the innovations that we want to make and what we want to do to bring DB2 to the next generation. And of course, Al, you're hosting a session.
I am, thank you.
And that's going to focus on developers and how developers can build on a modern data platform. And I think that's going to have a lot of value to those people there that are more technical and less about the infrastructure, more about how do I build on the data. We're going to have a lot of business partners and clients there, and it's all focused around campuses. So we have this concept of campuses at Think. We have the Data and AI campus, the Cloud and Infrastructure campus, the Security and Resiliency campus, and that's where you go to kind of get focused interactions in those areas. There's going to be live experts there. You can meet your peers, business partners. We've got large theater sessions there as well, and you can have demonstrations of our solutions right there in the campus also. So if you want to learn more, you can go to ibm.com/think. You can get more information about the event. You can build your own agenda and see what sessions are there that interest you, and you can register.
Wow. I was going to ask you where to go. You've already answered everything. I think you've nailed it, man. Thank
Awesome.
you. I appreciate it. And like Jayson says, I will be there. So for the podcast listeners, please come up, introduce yourself to me. I'm going to be talking about modernizing your data platform towards AI, and I'll talk to the ladder of AI. So look, I hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Thanks, Al.
Talk to you soon.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks for listening to the Making Data Simple podcast, where we make data fun. Be sure to visit IBMBigDataHub.com/podcasts to access the show notes and uncover even more great episodes. Remember, the views expressed here are those of the host and its guests and do not necessarily represent the views of IBM. Until next time, over and out.